We're back siding the house. Putting up this J channel. Got a little bit of sun left here, which is good. I keep getting up a little too late, or maybe not getting up, but not getting down here fast enough in the morning. Sun comes up around 10. So it's not that I'm lazy, it's just winter. Yeah. That's what happens. But, you know, Rome wasn't built in a day. Either is this fine casa. We're almost at a year. Pretty impressive. I mean, all new windows, whole new face of house, whole house refaced. Can't even, imagine what's been going on inside, but we'll show you that next. Because that's been quite a feat as well. I won't lie. We did get help. Yeah. The best help. Really. Wish we had some now, but we don't. We're just, doing it on our own. Be cool if I was an octopus, because, then I'd have 8 hands and I could do some more stuff, but I'm not an octopus either. Maybe in my next life, I'm hoping. Really, really hoping for that, If you get to choose what you're coming back for as, one can dream, right? One can dream. Yeah. So, we'll just hope and pray that someday octopus life is a real thing. It'll be a short life though, They don't live forever. And I would definitely want to be a female octopus because, of course, females are cooler. And, But we'll see. See what happens in life. See what happens. Pretty excited about this siding, although, it's got to be cleaned up a little bit. Or a lot. There we go. As one would have it, I've not brought enough screws to the job today. So, I don't know, maybe I dropped a couple, or maybe I can find some somewhere. I'm sure there's a plethora of them on the ground here. So, a little recap, we've done the siding. We've got a new bathroom. We had help on the roof, but that guy fucked us over pretty bad. He didn't really finish. As you can see, none of the trim is up, and it still leaked when he got done. That was, yeah. But we won't name any names on that one. Yeah. Don't do barters, If you want something done and you're not going to do it yourself, just pay somebody. Pay them. You'll get the job done. Otherwise, you're going to be disappointed in the, I'll do this if you do that. You, like me, get the short end of the stick. Isn't that right? I definitely got the short end of the stick. Yeah, well, lesson learned. Okay.